Honey's brave adventure. In an old-fashioned forest, which some people think is magical, there lived a unicorn named Honey. Honey was lovely and kind, but she was also a bit clumsy. One day, Honey decided to go exploring in the woods. She saw many fine animal friends and beautiful plants and trees. She saw little hidden caves and clearings, which made her happy and curious. As she walked along, she suddenly found a hidden path. Where does the path lead? I have never seen this path before, she thought to herself. Bravely taking the first step, Honey stumbled upon talking squirrels, chatty birds, and a wise old turtle. They became her friends. They told her they were all trying to find a lost ruby crystal. This ruby crystal was of immense value and was sought after by the king. The king had proclaimed this a magical gem that could bring everlasting happiness to himself and to his subjects. The king had offered a great reward for anyone who found the ruby crystal. Together, Honey and her friends faced challenges and dangers as they spent the next few days hunting together for the ruby crystal. One of the squirrels got caught in a trap set by a snake. The other animals worked hard to free their squirrel friend from the trap. It was so dangerous. Other times, the animal friends giggled at Honey's funny mishaps. Once, while she was drinking water at the river, she lost her balance and tumbled in. Everybody laughed, including Honey herself. Finally, the animals reached the cave where the ruby crystal was kept. There, Honey's clumsiness turned out to be the way they found the crystal. Honey had tripped over yet another stump and fallen sideways, landing in a pile of foliage that was hiding the entrance to the secret cave. Honey got up and shook herself and called for the others to come quickly. Edward the turtle arrived last and told the others this was the actual cave where the ruby crystal was to be found. He said his grandmother turtle had told him about it years ago. How astonishing for the squirrels and the birds, and especially Honey. They all realized they were about to see the ruby crystal. They cautiously entered the secret cave, and as they looked around, they suddenly spotted the prize they had been looking for. When they brought the crystal to the king, there was great celebration throughout the land. Honey and her friends were honored with a parade and a feast and a beautiful place to live for the rest of their lives. Honey continued to embark on new adventures, bringing laughter and joy to others around her. In the magical land where bravery and friendship reign, Honey, the brave unicorn, showed that sometimes a little clumsiness can make the world shine even brighter.